it's Jeff Summers with Watch You Know, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Carbinox Lux smartwatch. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. But let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Hey there, people. Let's get into this unboxing. And we have this package. Got my trusty knife. And let's open the package. Always an exciting thing doing an unboxing because you never know what you're going to get. So seems to be pretty well packaged. And let's rip into this here. All right. We have the Carbinox Lux Black. Let's put that out. And oh, so they give you a free tactical pen. You know, I guess you have to put some batteries in it, maybe. Maybe it serves as a flashlight. I'm not too sure of that. So I will be giving you a review of this watch with much more detail, but I just wanted to show you the unboxing and what you get with this Carbinox Lux Black. And there is another Carbinox, I'm not sure if they call it the Lux, but it is army green, and it's similar design. So this is the black, and let's see what we have. All right, well packaged. All right, are you ready for your lifetime smartwatch? All right, well, I hope so. Open this, you will need it. Okay, well, there's the watch. So let's see what we have here. All right, comes a little watch pillow, and we can pull this off. It's like a little protector. There's the watch. Can power it on in a minute, but I'm sure I'm wanting to see what this is. Open this, you will need it. What do they think that I need? All right. Oh, a charger, of course. One thing I'm not seeing in here is the charging brick. So apparently you have to use your own charging brick or plug this into a computer. And I think that, from what I know, right there you go, that's how it's magnetic, and it just pops right there on, and then you obviously plug this thing in. All right, very cool. Let's see if it powers up. All right, gives a little vibration there. And there we have the watch. So let's see what we have here. You have a pedometer, and a lot of these watches, when you go up like this, it'll give you your steps, like a kind of a graph. It seems to be turning off pretty quickly. Maybe that's because I just opened it. Sleep monitor, and then there's a 7-day graph. Measures your heart rate, and the sensors are on the back there. Exercise. Now it's supposed to have 20 different types of exercises that this will, there we go. Walking, running, cycling, football, fitness, dance, all kinds of. And then let's hit the back button. And then what we can do is it also will check out your blood pressure. And then of course, if you scroll up, you got your 7-day data and weather. Once you pair it with the watch, it'll tell what your weather is. You can take remote pictures from your watch, so you can set up your camera like on a tripod or something, and then you press this and then you can hit I believe that you would hit the center and then it takes a picture from your camera. There's your blood oxygen sensor and a player for music. Now the music doesn't play off of the watch, but you can control it, similar to that camera. So essentially those are the basic stuff that you have. Let's just play around here because I'm pretty unfamiliar with this watch. As I just opened it, and as I mentioned, I'm going to give you a review later on. So you have this where you can actually quickly go to the settings. How did I do that? You scroll over here. Obviously it's touch screen, and yeah, you got your weather and all that. So it has to be paired. Now what you do have though, which I could show you, and I might have to pause this for a second because I want to show you the app real quick here that you can download. Okay, I'm back to show you this DaFit app, D-A-F-I-T, that you can use with the smartwatch, and it just makes everything a little bit easier to see than on the watch face. So some monitoring that you can do, like this blood oxygen, and you'll see that there's a graph that you get on this for the last 7 days, and you can also get that from the heart rate, monitoring your sleep, and other things like blood oxygen sensing. But here's how the blood pressure looks, and obviously that syncs right up to the watch. And on the watch face, you'll notice that it really switches off pretty quickly here. So I'm sure we can adjust that in the settings. But you know, it seems to be a pretty good app. We can track our sports activities, and we can set goals. I'll show you that in a second here. So it's really quite capable app that works with this smartwatch. Let me go ahead here and throw it on the wrist so you can see what it looks like. So let's do that now. And something you might notice about the watch band is that there's a lot of holes to choose from, and it makes it all the more comfortable. All right, pretty comfortable. And there you go. That's how it looks. And we see that American flag watch face, but I also want to let you know that there are many different watch faces that you can choose from once you go onto the app, and they have some preloaded ones, but also if you get on here, find watch face, there are literally hundreds of different watch faces that you can choose from, and that's quite cool. We'll be showing you this watch in a future review, so have a great day, great night, whatever time it is, and I will see you in that next watch review. Bye.